So hello guys, I'm gonna assemble my desktop today, which would be comprising of the B850 ORS Elite Wi-Fi 7 from Gigabyte that supports Ryzen AM5, and as a processor we can see we have a beast here, which is Ryzen 7 9800X3D, which is the gaming beast with loads of 3D V cache. Then we have the CRAS Clev RGB DDR5 6000 megahertz 16 into 2 GB, that is 32 GB, with a beautiful timing of CL28. And then we have the Sapphire AMD RX 9070 XT, which is I think much better value than GeForce 5070 Ti. We have the Lian Gold 1000 watt PSU, that is RS1000G. And then we have as a cooler Lian Galahad 2 Lite 360 as a AIO CPU cooler. And then we have the crucial 1 TB T500 Pro SSD NVMe Gen 4, which is one of the best SSDs comparable to Samsung Evo Pro in terms of gaming, in terms of heating, in terms of stability. So we're gonna assemble this whole desktop today. Let's see how it comes up all together.